It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Give it back to me, please. Right now. Please hand it over. Go bang! Good boys!
Hello, Wooly.
Who gave you permission to talk in my apartment?
When I see you. That's the only smile I get when I see you.
No. Hey.
Meow 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 meow.
I'm sure I buried the bone right here.
No, use both hands at the same time like this. And bounce. Yeah, no, you're still digging.
Qualified. Hawaiian original, so I do it next time.
Vai, gato! Não!
Your catnip, my love.
Eva, bark. Good girl. Eva, bark. Good girl.
What does he have? What do you have? Still not. Alright, take off. Ready? Go! Go, 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 go! Go get it! Where is it?
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? It's me. It's me. I'm a fine little kitty. That's right. Hey, are you filming me right now? I told you not to film me when I'm manifesting.
Oh, what a lovely spread you've prepared, Gertrude. I don't know where to begin. Oh, did you watch the coronation? Yeah. Oh, I thought it was dreadful. Charles looked like a grumpy old badger. He said, cheer up, old chap. You're the king now.
You need to shoot the arrow. I really want it. He's gone! Look! He's gone!
To make sure we don't have any more blankets like this.
Just remembered there's food cooking on the stove.
Oh, you gotta do me too, bud.
You can do an interesting trick with this pan. I throw it, and it flies back out.
We're taking the cat to the shelter tomorrow.
I won't pee in your slippers anymore.
Oh no, I'm gonna be in so much trouble. I know I buried a body back here, but I can't remember where I put it. Hello, is there a body down here?
Pep, what are you doing with my mask?
Oh, no you don't, Carol. I'm not going to let you wear this mask. You have the stinkiest breath,
Really
and
do.
I love it. It smells like sweet, sweet garbage.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Carl's gonna throw us the ball, so... Well, I'll take it to him. No, I can bring it back to him. No, listen, Pipsqueak. Hey, I need to make a good impression on him. It's my job. I'm the new guy here. Yeah, so stand down, little one.
Fine, age before beauty.
That's right.
Hi. What are these creatures, huh?
Bruh.
No touching. No. 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 No touching. Stop. No.